Please. Sika, 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 sika. It looks so good now.
Yeah!
It's okay, calm down, calm down, calm down.
Nabura kasi yung video. May tumawag kasi.
Calm down, okay? Calm down.
Today, may tatry tayo na water activity. Ang tawag sa kanya ay Magical Waterscapes.
Magical Waterscape.
Ayan. Kailangan nyo lang ng bowl na may water. So, ito yung ginamit namin. Tapos, meron siyang kasamang parang white na powder. Hindi ko sure kung ano siya. Wala kasing nakasulat dito. And hindi ko rin alam kung gaano karami. So, tatansyahin na lang natin. Mamili ka na dito, anak. Meron pala siyang kasamang 5 na pattern. So, ito.
A seahorse.
Uy! Oo nga, no? At the back, it's a seahorse. Ito. It's a seahorse here. Sa kabilang side, it's a fish. Magkaiba pa pala sila ng design, magkabilaan. Ito naman, apple and cherry. This one is dinosaur. At saka
penguin.
yeah. And then this one is a
rabbit.
yeah, ito isa lang siya. And this one.
Teacher likes rabbit. Deer.
Teacher likes rabbit again. Okay. Shout out kay Teacher Nika. Ayan, so anong gusto mong pattern ngayon na gagamitin natin? We put it in the water, this one first. Wait lang. Okay, we put it in the water. I guess just enough na ganyan lang. Feeling ko hindi mo naman kailangan ng sobrang dami. Tapos, Mama will mix na lang first, ha? I'm not sure kasi how ano to eh.
I will mix it.
Mix lang yung powder doon. Yan. And I think pag medyo naging white-ish na yung water, pwede na siya. Ginawa ko half lang ng packaging. Tapos mix. Anong gusto mong unang design?
The apple one.
Apple one. Oh, we're gonna make the apple one first. Lapit ako. Wait.
It's okay, calm down, calm down, calm down.
Nabura kasi yung video. May tumawag kasi. Anyway.
Calm down, okay? Calm down.
Okay, I'm calm na anak. Thank you.
Calm down, calm down.
Oh, what do you want next? May nagawa na kasi kami kanina. So, ito na yung nagawa namin. Ayan, cherry. Matigas na siya. Ayan. And also, we made a rabbit. Oh, look at the rabbit here.
It's a jelly.
Yeah, it looks like a jelly, huh? Tapos meron pang isa, nagawa kami.
A fish.
Yeah, a fish. Oh, so, for our next, ano ang gusto mong gawin?
Penguin and dinosaur.
Okay, wait
See,
lang.
buhat.
You're doing great.
Will be green apple. It will be green apple.
Oh yeah, press it.
It will be green apple.
Okay, oh, what we're gonna do?
Sika, 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 sika.
It's not super successful. Napigtas yung ano, I think kailangan hindi basa masyado yung ano niya, yung mold. Kasi hindi dumidikit.
Good? Is that good?
No, we do it again.
We do it again? Okay. Let's do it again. Let's try it again.
Okay.
It's okay. We will...
Okay, squeeze again. So, take 2, ang ginawa ko is, winisik ko muna yung mga water dun sa mold natin. Kasi para kumapit yung ano, umayos yung forma.
Sika, 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 sika. It looks so good now!
Yeah! So ngayon, we have to wait a little bit para tumigas siya and then magiging puffy rin siya.
Puffy? Why?
Puffy.
Puffy.
Puffy just like the rabbit. I think the best one we made is the rabbit.
It's a jelly.
Yeah, it looks like ano na siya. Para siyang from slime naging medyo mochi na siya. It's the closest color to ano eh.
Where's
to
the
brown. Shika. Slowly.
You do it, you do it.
Shika.
Oh, it's green. It's green. Black squeeze.
Go more.
Black squeeze.
Black squeeze. Okay, the tail. Oh, there. In the upper side, ikaw. Squeeze!
Squeeze. Go here.
Yeah, piga.
Piga.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake.
Hey! Oh, we made a seahorse. Look, we made everything.
Yeah. Are you happy with our work?
Look. Yes.
Yes.
It's a dog.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a penguin.
Yeah. Oh, which one is your favorite?
I like this one, the rabbit.
Yeah. Who likes rabbit?
Teacher.
Teacher likes rabbit.
Dinosaur. La, la, la.
Oh, anyway, ilalagay ko na lang sa yellow basket.
Bye, bye, bye.